So in this video, I'm going to show you how to search for and message students so you can take a proactive approach to your recruiting process. We have had many employers successfully hire talent from our school by coming in and messaging students and inviting them to apply to their open opportunities and letting them know what's available, as opposed to just posting the job and waiting for applicants to come in. We do want you to post your positions in Handshake with this blue post a job button right here. This will take you to a very easy form that you can fill out with all the information required about the positions that you are recruiting for. So please make sure that you are posting your jobs here in Handshake, but being able to message and search for students is going to give you a little bit more of an advantage and a little bit more ownership in the recruitment process. So here on the main Handshake homepage, first you want to make sure that you are connected with Jamestown Community College. So if you click the schools tab underneath relationships, when you click on your employer's schools, you should see Jamestown Community College listed right here. If you do not see it, just click on more schools on Handshake, type Jamestown in the search bar here, and it will normally pop up on the right-hand side here. Because this account is already connected with JCC, that's why it's not showing up here. But again, if we were not connected, it would show up here. There would be a blue button over on this side that says request to connect, and you would simply just hit that button. So once you are connected with the school and any other school you would like to be connected with, if you come under relationships and you hit talent, it is going to bring up all of the students within the school. Now, I am only connected with Jamestown Community College. I'm not connected with any other schools. But if you were connected with multiple colleges and universities, you would be able to filter out whichever schools you wanted to search for. So in this area here, if you select the all filters button under the major group, you can search for what you are looking for. So for example, if I was looking for a nursing student or a recent graduate, I would type in nursing and I would hit this blue apply filters button. And then all of the students who are from the nursing program or currently in the nursing program who are on Handshake, their profiles will all pop up. So you will see this list here. You can see the last time that they were active, and you see two options here. One is view profile and the other one is message. So if you select view profile, it's first going to give you just a little snippet of what that profile looks like. So from this page, if you hit view profile again, you will see this person's entire Handshake profile. So you can see where they went to school, their pronouns, if they've written anything about themselves, you can read that down here. You can see their top skills, their work history. It's very similar to a LinkedIn profile. Courses that they've taken, if they've uploaded any projects that they've worked on that they want to share with potential employers, you'll be able to see their whole profile here. Then if you click on this blue send a message button, you can invite them to apply to different positions you have, or you can simply just reach out and let them know you're a recruiter, what you typically hire for, and just start building that relationship with them. So the student can get to know you and you can get to know the student or the recent grad. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Just like an email, you would put in a subject line in your message and you would hit send, and then the student would get a notification that they have a message in Handshake from a potential employer. And then the conversation could go from there. You can see here that if you have the free basic Handshake employer account, you get 100 messages to be able to send to students per recruiting season. If you were from a larger organization and you needed more than that, you certainly could upgrade to a premium account. But everybody gets at least these 100 free messages that they can use to contact students. So we hope you will take this video into consideration, and we hope again that you will use this to recruit a little bit more proactively and really help get your brand recognition out there, get to know students, invite them to apply, and hopefully fill the positions that you have.